What's up, what's up, what's up? So finally, we're gonna go ahead and get this Be Love sauce. What's up, Be Love? Hope you watching, girl. I don't even know how to tag, honey, so I don't know how to tag you and let you know that, I don't know, I'm just gonna put it in the comments, but I know you probably will never see it. All these thousands and thousands of comments, guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out Be Love channel. This is her, and it's called Bloveslife. She is the bomb. I love her. I love her personality, not just what she does. At least what I see on the screen. As far as, you know, how much you use, but we're gonna go in with, you're gonna take 1 teaspoon of each of these. So first off, before we get started, get your eyes off my corn and my lemon and my shrimp. Because this is about the sauce, guys. Like I said, we're gonna be doing another video following this one because I'm gonna have you guys, I'm gonna hold you up. I don't wanna have you guys here too long. Time is important. So I'm gonna be paprika, Old Bay seasonings, lemon pepper, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, accent, sorry guys, accent, red pepper. You guys know I don't like spicy food, so I will be using that at a minimum. Ginger, I'm not crazy about ginger, but I want this sauce to come out as close as it can to hers because I really want to get that taste because, oh my god, she just makes it look so good. I got some minced garlic as well as some whole garlic cloves, but I love garlic, so I'm just going to go in with the minced garlic as well. Chili powder, Cajun, oregano, garlic salt. I think she used garlic powder, not garlic salt. Let me take that out of the way. Worcestershire sauce, if I'm pronouncing that right. There you go. That's how you fix that. And some brown sugar, guys. And then she uses Tabasco sauce, I think. But I'm a crystal girl, so I'm gonna go in with the crystal. And a whole, what is it? It's a whole and a half. I guess to your, like, you know, to your taste. If I love onions, so my onions, and then I got my garlic cloves. Guys, let me just tell y'all, I'm so mad right now. This stuff is on the side because it's gonna be used for the boil. But I'm so mad. I have only used this thing one time, y'all, and it's been pretty much sitting up for decoration, I guess. And I went to put my garlic cloves in here, you know, and to whoop everything up, and it doesn't work. I tried 2 different plugs and it does not work. It's not working, and it's just crazy. So yeah, I bought this when I was in Georgia. So yeah, that's a bust. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get on with the video, guys. What's up? How y'all doing? How you doing? Don't worry about it. Y'all know my nails gonna be done. You know my nails gonna be done. Like that. But I will have them done for you guys. You know how we do. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great and phenomenal day. Look at these spices. Just looking at them make me hungry. It makes my mouth water just looking at these spices. I'm not an accent girl, but she said that this is a must. This is a must. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, guys. Ooh. I'm sorry, guys. This isn't even that hot. I'm just dramatic. Also, you need, she uses 4 sticks of butter, but I don't need all that because it's just me. My son, he doesn't eat seafood. So this is 2 sticks of unsalted butter. If I need a 3rd stick, I'll put it in on the back end. All right, guys. So I got to get it from the muscle. You don't want to see me right now. Trust me, you don't want to see me right now. We're going to try it again tomorrow. Try it again tomorrow. Try it again tomorrow. Trust me, y'all. It was wash day, so I washed my hair today, and I got a bunch of pigtails going on right now. So, yeah. Really quick, guys, before I forget. Onion powder is what I'm missing, but it's good. So yeah, onion powder. I'll have the I have everything down in the description box for you guys. But yeah, onion powder. But she said, of course, all this stuff is optional. You know, you make it according to what you do and how you eat. I'm gonna go ahead and get these onions going, guys. I've done the best that I can do on these on the garlic. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up, and we're gonna go ahead and get to mixing these seasonings. Okay guys, so that's it for the seasonings. Oh yeah, I want to let you guys know, you know, you can't get enough of Old Bay. I love me some Old Bay. So I'm gonna put another teaspoon in there. I want it to taste real crabby, real shrimpy crabby. Can't go wrong with Old Bay. So we're gonna go ahead and move on over and get this thing going. I'm gonna go ahead and put these onions and the garlic and everything in the pot. Put your butter on low. So that's what we have done. Go ahead and put the garlic and onions in there. Sorry for the noise, guys. Who is that noisy person in the back? She put a tablespoon of the mixed ginger in hers. We've already done the ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put in a little over a teaspoon of minced garlic. Matter of fact, honey, you know I love me some garlic. I'm gonna put 2. I'm gonna put 2. I wanna taste garlic in every single bite. Every single bite. Okay? One teaspoon, guys. This sauce is very good, by the way, guys. I just started cooking with this since I started doing little meals and recipes for you guys, and I really, really like it. And this will be your Tabasco sauce, but I'm gonna go with the crystals because I'm a crystal girl. All right, y'all, go ahead and mix this up. I can't wait till those flavors start to cooking, bursting. Let's go ahead and see what she's talking about.
A lot of it is like garlic powder stuff. It ain't gonna be salty. Gonna mix it right in.
My stove is on like 5 right now, guys.
It's gonna make that sauce redden up right there.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put in our seasonings.
So what we're gonna do is, y'all, we're gonna bring this to a boil. And like I said, y'all gotta measure it the way you want to measure it to your liking. And of course, you don't, if you're making a smaller amount, make a smaller amount for yourself. But I'm making a bigger amount because my family, or me and my hubby, has a big seafood boil that's coming up soon.
Oh, y'all, this smells so good. I turned the stove up, guys, to 6. Oh my God. Girl, I'm doing it. Ooh, y'all. And it smells so good. Oh, that garlic. Oh my God, I'm a garlic head. I don't know if this is gonna be enough for me. It should be enough. I don't want to put another stick of butter in here. I got 2 in here already, but let's see what she's talking about. What you talking about, B?
Okay, you guys, and bring it to a boil.
I'm gonna turn it down to like a 4 and just let it cook. Just let it simmer. I'm looking. It looked like it may be enough. Yeah, it should be enough. It should be enough. I'm not gonna sample it just yet. That balsamic vinegar sounds really tasty because I like balsamic vinegar, so that sounds like it could be pretty good, guys. Even the apple cider vinegar sound like it can be pretty good too, but B-Love didn't use that in hers, at least not on this video. Yeah, Q, if you're watching, kind of gave me an idea. I don't know, I think, you know, I'm down, but I want to, like I said, try to get it true to the B-Love sauce, as close as I can to the B-Love sauce. I see a couple of big pieces of onion in there, but that's fine, guys, especially once it's sauteed. Yes. All right, guys, I think we're ready to take her off. I think that's it, guys. Oh yeah, I added that the apple cider in there. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Thanks, Q. And I added a little more accent. Brought it all together, guys. I do taste a little spice. Not, like I said, overpowering, but just a little spice. But yeah, it's right, y'all. It's right. I'm so happy. So satisfied. Yeah, let's wrap it up. Oh, just so you know too, guys, I added another stick of butter. But yes, this is it. This is it. And guys, it is so good. But you know what else I want to do? I want to do one other thing. I want to put some lemon rain in there, baby. Yep. That's gonna be good somewhere. So that's gonna give it that little kick. I'm not even gonna taste it, y'all. I'm gonna taste it with you guys. All right, y'all. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, and you know, come on over and join your girl. It's free. I know you like free stuff. Who don't like free stuff? Okay, it's free. All you do is just hit the little button down there, and yeah, join your girl. So it's Saturday night, y'all. I'm about to go ahead and watch Queen Sugar. Yes, I am catching up on my Queen Sugar. And yeah, man, you guys stay safe, and thank you guys so much for the support. Love, peace, and happiness. So this part is especially for my sister. Shout out to my sister, y'all. Cynthia. Yeah, that's her, the oldest one. So anyway, you guys, I just threw a little garnish on there. Just chopped up a little parsley, put that in there. All right, y'all. I'm out this time for real.